Hi, my name is James Beasley and I am a candidate for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society's 2012 Man of the Year. I am honored to be a nominee in this year's campaign and privileged to be representing such an amazing organization. This 10-week fundraising campaign is currently underway and it continues through June 16th. Now each candidate has their own special reasons for participating in this campaign and I'd like to share mine with you. My father was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia in June of 2010. He fought an amazingly strong and courageous battle for 11 months. Unfortunately, he passed away on May 20th, 2011, but his strength and his courage lives on through his children today. This campaign is dedicated to funding research and finding a cure for blood cancers. With your help, we can cure cancer. I am personally dedicated to raising $50,000 as my commitment to LLS. Please open your hearts and your wallets and partner with me on this journey. Please visit www.mwoy.org/GA, select Meet the Candidates, and click on my picture for more information or to make a donation. Thank you. We can make a difference.